Hi Cancer, welcome to Omkara Tarot and to your weekly reading of you and yours. This one Cancer is marked for the 1st to the 7th of June, but energy is fluid, so don't get fixated on the exact dates. These are energies which are around you, so this is something you're going through presently or have been through or are going to go through in your immediate future. So please listen to the reading with your discernment on it. Also, these are general readings. They're not going to be resonating with each and every Cancer out there. So take what works for you. Just leave the rest. So let's begin, Cancer. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please send us a message for Cancer and send them the message they need to hear the most for this time period. Thank you. So Cancer, 2 sets of cards, one for you, one for your person. Now these are not specific love readings. This could be anyone who's affecting your energy right now, who's uppermost in your mind. Could be a boss, child, parent, friend, anyone. So of course a love interest could show through as well. Depends on who's uppermost, in your thoughts right now. Though your love readings are also going to be out soon, so look out for them. And Cancer, I have some news for you. I wanted to announce that I've had a successful first month of this channel now. Thank you all of you for your support, and as a thank you I'm offering a 3-card free reading to all my subscribers. So just send me your question on omkaratarot@gmail.com. Just one thing, make sure you send me the mail before the 15th of June if possible. Thank you. So let's begin. First card here is the 10 of Wands, 7 of Pentacles, the 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, the Emperor in reverse, both of you, the Star, wish fulfillment, and the Empress. Okay, let's see the other side. 3 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, Knight of Wands, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups, and the Moon. Okay. In your mutual energy, I have the Devil. I also have the Knight of Cups in reverse and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, this is regarding maybe a family dynamic. Could be 2 brothers, father, child, mother, daughter, something. It is definitely regarding some structure. Could be a boss in you. Something which is, a firm foundation. Though one person here is feeling a bit burdened right now. Very different energies both sides. So let's see how they're going to come together. One person is feeling that they are not in a good place. They are feeling whatever they wanted to do, they don't feel victorious in their position. They feel overburdened, and they feel that whatever they had planted in the past, whatever seeds that they were trying to grow, they were not able to find success in that. Okay, 8 of Pentacles in reverse. 8 of Pentacles upright shows a person meticulously working towards their money or their goals one by one and succeeding in it. But here, like I said, this person is feeling a bit overburdened, feeling that whatever they had invested in the past did not really come to fruition, and they're not happy where they are at the moment. Feeling a bit overburdened, with all the responsibilities maybe they had. And this is definitely, yes, like I said right in the beginning, this has to do with somebody in your family. This is regarding some family member who is maybe, become a little bit of burden to you, Cancer, now. And you feel that this person is not putting in their bit of hard work, or they're not investing with you, and which is making you, try and be... you find this person a bit foolish. Normally the Fool card is a card of fresh beginnings, fresh start, but in this dynamic I feel you find this person a little immature. You find this person who tries to maybe behave like the Emperor is a bit emotionally not that strong. Could be an older person being emotionally immature and kiddish. and that's making you feel as if you have to hold on to whatever you have very tight, all your pentacles you want to hold to yourself, and you're a little suspicious of this person. You don't want to trust this person this easily. Maybe you see this person as a bit of a trickster. Cancer, is that possible? And you have been trying to keep yourself to yourself, but in heart of hearts, you want to come out of this place where you've been isolated for so long, and in your mind thinking about why there is no forward movement happening with this other person with you. You have been praying for your wishes to come true. You really have been praying and hoping and wishing for your dreams come true. But Cancer, if this is you, which I do see, I do get a sense that this is your side, you also have the Empress card. Okay, the Empress is the queen of all queens. She has it all together. So from what I see, Cancer, this could also represent a mother figure. Okay, so if this is you, or this is how you feel, I think you have it all under control. You, I think, have succeeded in whatever you wanted for your life at the moment, but you're not little happy with this other person who is around you. You find them a bit immature and not investing so much. Yeah, you see them as being a bit self-indulgent. Maybe this person drinks. Maybe this person is a bit, like I said, immature and selfish and thinking about their own needs all the time. And because of that, you feel that there is no justice happening in the situation. Whereas maybe you feel you're holding more of the burden and the other person is just enjoying themselves. Let's see the Empress card for you, Cancer. What's this Empress card, Spirit, for Cancer? 3 cards, 4 cards, so too many cards. So putting them back, shuffle them again. Okay, again 2 cards, but we'll take them now. Yes, see, I have the card again. You're feeling a bit overburdened. You're feeling very overburdened. You feel, some choices have not been made which were maybe right for you, because, whatever choices were made in the past, it hasn't really come together in a good working relationship. Maybe one person puts in more work than the other, and you feel it's impossible to work together, and this is really burdening you. And you actually are doing pretty well on your own. You have the seat of power. Okay, you feel you have accomplished a lot, and the other person is not putting in as much as you would have liked them to. Now the other person seems in a good place. They have the 3 of Pentacles upright. What you see is a failed, working relationship, or what can't be put to right. They have it in the upright. They find everything perfect. And they feel, oh, it's a perfect match, it's a perfect relationship, we both love each other and we like to work with each other. But this person, like I said earlier, yeah, they seem to be healing and resting, and maybe, yes, you're right, maybe a bit lazy. They've taken this relationship for granted. Why I say that is because I have the Knight of Wands here. The Knight of Wands is, again, an immature prince knight who, comes in and out of your life with, they are in one day, out the other. They are rush in, rush out. They don't really take responsibility of anything. When they're there, they're there. When they're not, they're not. And, but they like you. They like you, Cancer. They find that this is perfect. They are perfect. They like you a lot. They feel this relationship with you is perfect. They want to communicate with you. They want to make things grow with you. They want like a rebirth of this relationship. They want to move forward, straight shot with you. One person is completely satisfied with you. They have a lot of love for you too. This is genuine love, Cancer. They have a lot of love for you. But they're unclear right now. They're unclear as to how to move this forward. Maybe there's a lot of secrets being kept. Yes. See, this is what you were worried about. This is the card you had here where you felt that somebody is not, putting in enough investment into this relationship. Now they are a bit worried here. They know what, they haven't put in enough. They know that they have not met your demands till now. They have not done enough till now. But they have a lot of love for you, and They feel that should be enough. They like you, they love you, they want to be with you, and they feel that you should be, happy with that. They also know that this is imbalanced too. They know that this is imbalanced. This is almost like, a parent and child dynamic, where one person is asking the child to do some chores and the child is saying, hey, I'm your kid and I deserve to sit around and watch TV. And I know it's wrong, but then you're my dad or you're my mom and you should be doing it. Yeah, they are holding back. They're not giving you anything. They don't want to share anything with you. But they love you. But they love you, and they love you, and they love you, and that's it. They really do care for you. So now it's up to you, Cancer. How do you want to deal with this? They want to move ahead with you, definitely. They are looking at all the goodies that you're going to bring them. Let's see in your mutual position what you have. You have the devil in your mutual energies. You people are tied together for life. Like it or not, Cancer, this is a toxic relationship. There's lots of addictions here. You both are maybe addicted to each other. Much as you want to leave this person, you cannot. You can't leave this person, and this person can't leave you. You're totally attached to each other as well. Whether you are emotionally happy, not happy, you're together. Both want to now, release whatever pain has been caused. They both wanting to heal from whatever toxicities that's happened in the past, whatever love that was not shown. Let's have a card for the Knight of Cups in reverse. Yeah, something blew up. Maybe there was a big fight, something came to light. Maybe, one person told the other person off. There was some sudden change, and there was pain here, lots of pain, and both are going back and forth in their mind to see what can be done about it now. I have the Empress here again, okay? So both are going back and forth to see how can we have growth in this. Both are feeling right now, that new beginnings, how are we going to do it, because none of you can see anything going forward right as of now. Both are still reeling under the shock or upset of that Tower moment, whichever happened between both of you. Ace of Pentacles. Spirit, what is this Eight of Pentacles in reverse for both of them? Trying to find a way to reconcile again. Okay, so both of you are not understanding how we can have a fresh beginning with each other. How do we reconcile with each other? So now, let's take a card from the universe. Let's see. So Spirit, what can Cancer and that person do to Spirit says this is the time to walk away. This is not the time to force anything to happen. I think it's time to retreat a bit and let the other person feel the pain of losing you, Cancer. Because maybe here somebody's taken the other person for granted. Okay, and they are in a hurry to kind of recapture whatever love that was lost or whatever, but they're not coming in with a stable love offer. They're not coming in with it. This card has also come out twice, the Knight of Cups in reverse. So this person maybe has not brought you a stable emotional offer. So Spirit is saying, I think this is the time to take your power and energy back for a little while and let this person understand how important you are. The Empress is the Empress. And to deal with the Empress, people better come right, Cancer. Let's take a card from the angels to see how they can bless you, Cancer, and help you navigate this week with this person. This person who you love so much, you feel attached to so much, and yet you feel, there is something toxic there as well. Cancer, if you see a little blue icon, logo, hovering, it should be there or should come soon. You can click on that and subscribe. And send me your 3-card reading if you have any questions for me. You are the Empress, Cancer. You are the Empress here. You are always the winner. So don't have to worry about it. Pull back your power for a little while. Okay? Just pull back your power for a little while. People have to realize your worth, I think. Yeah, you've already found what you were looking for. Okay? You are complete within yourself. Don't feel addicted or bound to somebody who's not giving you equal amount back. That's what Spirit has for you. And with that, I will call it a wrap here. God bless. Take care. Love and light, Cancer. Take care. See you soon.